guys to my channel, it's Sidhu here. Today I'm going to react to Blue Lock Season 2 episode number 12. It's just dropped and I can't wait to get to it. But before going to the reaction, I would like to just talk about what happened in the previous episode basically so that we are on the same page. So the previous episode, yeah, man, what can I say? I am basically considering it as the best episode of this season. Yeah, most probably it is the best episode of this season. Shido's goal was brilliant, that's all. I didn't, I never thought Nagi's goal can be topped, like at least in this season, but they topped it. Shido's goal again. I saw the real life counterpart of it. What was his name? Zlatan did the same goal. I think so. It's a little bit of inspiration, like the author of the Blue Lock took inspiration from that, or one-to-one copy, I don't know what to call it, but yeah. So to see that it is actually possible, and it was so magical, everything about it was so magical, the way they depicted it, like even the animator did a good job, like some kind of what do we call it, basically the sperm and egg meeting, fermentation, not fermentation, I'm not able to recall the actual medical term for it, but yeah, it was wild, man, so wild. In the way he landed and everything, the crowd cheering, them realizing how badass Shido is, then again Isagi getting pumped up and asking Ego to do his fucking job and everything. So yeah, it was cool to see. Then in the second half, the king entered. King Baro entered and basically confused the shit out of both the teams, and like completely changed the whole balance and whole chemistry of the game. So everyone is confused now, and the ball is in the air and everything. So yeah, and again the third point, I'm forgetting that. Now not only the policeman that Isagi has to go again, even Baro is targeting Isagi. So he has to overcome these two to score a goal. So this is going to be already Isagi is not that great in my opinion till now at least. So this is like into three troubles for him. He has to overcome his own talent, limitations of his talent. He has to overcome Mr. Policeman. He has to overcome Barrow. I don't know how to actually pronounce his name, but yeah, wild shit, man, wild shit. And they need, and actually Blue Lock is in the lead right now, so they have to score 2 goals to win at least, or maybe we'll have tie and penalty scores. Anyway, all of these things, as you can see, the previous episode was amazing, that's all, and I hope so this episode maintains the same quality. So without wasting much time, let's get to the episode. Wow, episode is named Flowers. Wow, okay, this is the kid policeman. Yeah, but he got bogged down and had to become defender. Yeah, and I forgot about that. The second person to enter the flow was Mr. Policeman at the end of the episode. Yeah, he saved such a great goal. So yeah, currently the only 2 players to enter the flow state is Shido and Mr. Policeman. Oh, he wanted to score more goals. Let's see who enters the flow state in this episode. Maybe Rin. Most probably Rin or Nagi. Yeah, petals falling and everything. His dreams slowly, yeah, getting cut out. They showed a glimpse of it in the previous episodes. Wow. So will he become a striker now suddenly in the match? Will he try to score goals? Man, this is sad. This depiction. So many dead flowers beside. Homogeneous, yeah. Aww. Average dream. Yeah. He's looking so young, man. He was handsome then. He's handsome even now. But he has a weird and gives like an uncle vibe. So why did he still continue then? What changed? But what changed? Oh. Wow, okay, so new dream. Wow, revenge time, huh? Cool. Okay, so he's not going to try to become a striker now again. Nice. Okay. I thought he was going to take the ball and try to run towards the Blue Lock's goal. Yeah, he is in the flow state. Cool. Wow. This is cool. Wow, is he going to block Rin? Wow. I would have liked to see that. So you're the path I didn't get to choose. I will block you then. Yeah. Isagi realized it. Wow. What now? Who will get the ball then? Cool. Wow, maybe this will awaken someone else too. Wow! He got the ball. Why was he so close to the goal? So now who will stop this guy then? Maybe someone will awaken in our team too. From defenders. Maybe Rio? He only achieved 99%, right? Yeah. That's a good strategy, yeah. Cool. But something is going to go wrong. Everything is going so smoothly here. Yeah. Matchup which another flowed up guy, yeah. Can he stop him? I don't think so. Exactly. Yeah. He's a monster, man. Devil incarnation. What now? Who will stop him? Oh, Baro! I didn't see Baro till now. Baro. I'm predicting Baro. No. Don't be predictable. Don't think about predictable openings. He's going to go for something else. Yeah, thought so. Yeah, man. You should have learned it by now. Nice! Yeah, very well done, man. Gabimaru, I hope so his name is that. Cool. Gigamaru, I mean. Clear it. What? Is it? Yeah, I forgot about this. Nice. Rio? Yeah, Nagis. Exactly, man. So cool. Yeah, the depiction to the visualization of Nagi breaking out. Cool. Man, so many cool scenes, one after another. I'm already 100% 10 out of 10 episode. Cool. Come on, show Nagi, man. It's been too long. You only scored one goal till now. Yeah. Attack. Exactly. Cool. Gigamaru was Chad, man. Well done. Well done, Gigamaru. I hope so it's his name. I'm not thinking about someone else. Count. Isagi, don't disappoint this time. Please. Do it. Come on, Isagi. Come on, do it. Oh, yeah. Baro is targeting him. Yeah. Don't mess this up, Baro, please. Yeah, what now then? Nice. The enemy team is helping Isagi now. Cool. What now, Baro? Wow. They're going all out, man, in this episode. Cool. Man, I'm getting excited, man. They're getting close. Yeah. But can he do that? Can he overcome the policeman? The puzzle pieces, man. They are so funny. Don't think about it, man. Yeah. Good. Yeah. As many men as possible. Yeah. more options now. But don't overthink, Isagi. Don't go with the instinct. Yeah. Hmm. Can he? Come on. Do it, man. No, no. He's jinxing it. Don't jinx it. Just score it. On. What? Stays here. What's he doing here? He's a striker, no? What? Wow, Shay is complimenting Isagi. Well, this was unexpected. But man, another goal gone. Yeah. No one was predicting Itachi say. Yeah, man. Ah, shit, Isagi got such a good option. Yeah. Exactly. Will he get another chance like this? Sad. Oh wow, okay. They're still left in Isagi. Let's see. Is this flow? Can he? Come on, do it, man. Do it. Tatakai. Tatakai. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah, shoulder bump. Shit. He got him on a technicality. Man, how many times this is happening? Oh, Rin. Come on. Can he pass? Rin. Do it. Yeah, they're brothers after all. Nice. Come on, do it, Rin. How many ups and downs? Come on. Of course, Rin is going to take it. He can do it. Nice. What? Two guys are holding him, man. What is this? He's dragging two guys. What? Cool. And he scored it. Wild shit, man. They're snatching it from. He was literally dragging two guys. Brilliant. So unpredictable, man. Barrow. I never expected Barrow to score. I thought he was a side character. That was incredible, yeah. They needed that kind of randomness to score. Exactly, man. Oh, what? Cool. Yeah. I completely forgot about Barrow as even an option. Yeah, so then what changed? Man, I still can't believe Barrow scored. Rin. Yeah. So cool. Man, I never thought Barrow was this cool. Whoa. Wow. This turned erotic suddenly. Or romantic. Wild shit, man. Yeah, wild. Crazy. Man. Obsession. Who is this? Huh? Yellow, why? Wow. I forgot about that. Shit. Stripper King. Nice. Then what is Isagi's obsession then? Yeah. Man, Burrow got a goal before Isagi. This is wild, man.
それに反応してたリンのヒールムーブ
Man, is Riz angry now? Sorry, I mean,
かっさらったバローのヒールムーブ
man,
リンへのさらったバローのヒールムーブ
man, is Rin angry now then?
あいや
Like Burrow snatched his goal? Yeah.
そうだに関与した全ての
I want to see Rin's reaction, man. They are not showing much of Rin's reaction to this kind of plays. Even Shido's play and
連
everything.
鎖だ
What did he realize?
動くこと
Hmm.
が最後のピー
Become one. Maybe that is the thing that is realized. I don't know. I'm just speculating.
どうしよう
But they have equalized, yeah. One more goal will decide.
てかでもギリ
監督
Hmm.
何か策でも
見守ってうち
は
の得意のカウンターでラスト
ない愚策だ
Wow. That was harsh. but the truth.
タイムをたかが1選手
言わせてもらうが
Hmm.
交代なんだよ
Cool. So now they're not going to sub anyone.
今これ
Man, such a cool warning. Man, this is going to get interesting. The last goal. Man, everyone is going to give their 100% now. Even him too. Hopefully. Nice. Huh? Man, I like to see him, yeah. I like to see the star player play. Not be a dumb guy. For Hitashi say. Cool. Come on, Sendo. Prove yourself. Isn't his number 11 too? Nice dream, man. Nice goal. Cool. When I am still in the trance of Burrow scoring. Don't say that. I like for him to stay. At least maybe he can join the Blue Lock team some way. Wow, Mohsin's left.
最終盤代表は
Yeah, final phase.
ことができ
Man, Burrow, man. He became so instantly he became such a fan favorite now. Wow.
やってみろよ
But I want to see Isagi. Isagi show something, man. He showed a little bit in this episode. Even Itachi say recognized it or basically signed off on it. Like he said, he likes Isagi's brain. But he still feels like a side character, man. Yeah, he needs to score. Even Rin needs to score. But there is only one goal left. Who will score it? I think so. There is only one goal. Even we have to see Sendo too. Well, guys, the episode ends there. Again, I know this might possibly be recency bias again, like in the previous episode. But this episode was great, man. I don't know if I can say it is the best episode of this season because Shiro's goal was so out of left field, like it was so epic. But then again, Barrow's goal was again. I was not expecting it, not at all. Like it was so, like I forgot about him and the way he scored, dragging two guys with him, and even then scoring it. Like I thought Rin was scoring, I thought Isagi was going to score 2 times. Then Barrow came, like that was so crazy. I'm giving both of them 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. At least in the emotion factor or emotion sector of the section of the episode. The way it energized me and basically I hopefully you can understand what I'm trying to say. I'm not able to find the words to say them. But yeah, this was great, man. Barrow. I consider, as you can see, like he was not selected in top 11, so I considered him type of B tier character or basically a side character in the story, like not that important. Of course, he came in as a sub, but even Rio came in as a sub. Like I thought Barrow and Rio is going to be like the same level of importance, but wow, author gave him too much, man. Literally too much. Like I thought, okay, the previous episode he's there to create confusion and everything, and he has his 15 minutes of fame there. Okay, done. But I did not at all think he would score a goal. Like also that he was going to score a goal before Isagi, before the one-on-one Emperor. Like all of these guys, he scored it. Isagi still has not scored it. So that's wild, man. That's wild. Even we have not seen much of Nagi now. Like, of course, this episode utilized all of the characters very well. And I'm forgetting Gigamaru. Hopefully that's his name. I have to remember his name after that king-like save. Yeah, man, that changed the game. The way he saved it from Shiro's goal. he stopped Shido's goal. If you can imagine that, like he stopped goal from Shido who is in flow. So that was amazing. And right after that, such an epic play, we saw Rio copying Nagi and sending it to Nagi then, and Nagi again passing it to. So yeah, Nagi's play was a little bit like not that. No, he did. Made an amazing pass, like saw Isagi going from behind him and passed it to him, so that was great. But I like to see more of Nagi, and the another person I like to see more of is Bachira, man. Where is he? Why is he not scoring? Well, like, he's just being used as passing from one person to another. Like, come on, you're giving Baro this much screen time, this much. Of course, I'm not trying to offend Baro's fans, but come on, man. I like to see Bachira shine. He's such a cool character. Like, he had such a big impact in season 1. Come on, use him also. But I understand, like, there are so many great characters in Blue Lock to be used. Some characters have to be left behind for others to shine. So, well, I'm just talking as a fan. But yeah, man, great. Maybe next goal will be Isagi's, hopefully. If not, it will be funny. Like, Isagi is becoming a side character more and more, man, slowly. Until this episode. Like, this episode, even Itachi recognized that he was the heart of Blue Lock. I don't know what he means by that. Maybe like he is the one who is calling the plays. Indirectly, subconsciously, maybe. But yeah, this was great. Salute, Baro, salute to you. But yeah, man, this was cool. As you can see, I enjoyed this episode a lot. I like to know your opinions in this episode too. Like, I got excited about this episode. As you can see in my face, in my voice change and everything, and my loudness and everything. So I like to see your excitement too, or your disappointment, like I had with Bachira's role in this. So you guys can comment them down below. I like to interact with you guys. I like to know your opinion. Maybe learn from you guys. Maybe I missed something in this episode. I didn't catch up on something. Hopefully not the spoilers, but please comment down below. So yeah, guys, I enjoyed this episode a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode as much as I did. I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to this episode. And if you did, please like, share, subscribe, and post the notification bell so that you get notified when my other reaction videos drop. Also, do comment below in the comment section your thoughts on this episode, your thoughts on my reaction. And if you have any tips or suggestions for me, as I'm new to this reaction thing, I do need any kind of feedback, suggestion, input that I can get from you guys. So please, guys, comment down below. I read all the comments, I reply to each and one of them. So please, guys, interact with this video. Help me out. It will greatly help me out. It will tell the YouTube algorithm that you guys like this kind of videos, and it will push these videos to other people too. So please, guys, help me out. It's free to do. So I hope you guys do it. And finally, I like to thank all of those people who have always been supporting me till now, sharing these videos to their friends and families, liking them, subscribing them, commenting down below. I've recently completed Dance reaction, basically yesterday. So if you are interested in that, please check out my other catalog of anime reactions too. So yeah, if you're new, please join me in this journey and enjoy these animes with me. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next episode's reaction.